A humpback whale tangled in nearly a mile of fishing line is slowly sinking under its own weight. A diver swims straight toward it. You'd expect the whale to panic, to thrash, to do anything it can to get away. Instead, it goes still. So, does it know? Does it know that the hands cutting away that rope are there to help, not hurt? That's the question we're chasing today. Can wild animals actually tell when a human is trying to save them, or are we just getting lucky? Here's why this matters. Every single instinct a wild animal has is built around one rule. Anything unfamiliar might kill you. A human walking toward an injured deer should trigger the exact same alarm as a wolf walking toward it. And yet, rescuers see this moment again and again. Animals that should be fighting for their lives instead going quiet, almost cooperative. Something is happening in that animal's brain. The question is, what? So let's break it down. Animals can't read our intentions the way we'd read a friend's. They don't understand rescue. What they can read is risk, and there are specific signals they're built to notice. Slow movement instead of fast, indirect approach instead of head-on, soft, low sounds instead of sharp ones. A predator commits. It moves fast and direct. A non-threat moves slowly and hesitantly. That's the language animals are actually fluent in. Here's where it gets interesting. Watch any wildlife rescue video and you'll notice the calmest rescuers get the calmest animals. Sea turtles caught in nets struggle less when handlers move slowly and keep their voices low. Stranded seals stay still longer for people who avoid direct eye contact, which mimics submission instead of a predator's stare. The animal isn't thinking, this person wants to help me. It's thinking, this doesn't look like something that wants to eat me, and that's enough to make it stop fighting. But wait, here's the twist. Some animals seem to go further than that. Dolphins have been seen approaching boats, especially when they're entangled, almost as if seeking people out. Elephants in sanctuaries will hold still for the same veterinarian every time, but tense up around strangers. That's not just reading body language in the moment. That's memory. That's learned trust, built from repeated safe encounters with a specific person or type of person. And that's the real answer hiding inside this question. Wild animals don't understand saving as a concept. What they understand is the absence of threat, read instantly through movement and sound, and in some animals, a slower kind of trust built over time through repetition. The whale didn't know it was being rescued. It just ran out of reasons to think these hands were dangerous, and that was enough to let go of the fight. So next time you see a video of a wild animal going calm under a human's hands, it's not gratitude, and it's not understanding. It's something almost more remarkable. A split-second calculation that we, for once, didn't look like the threat. If you've ever had a moment like that with a wild animal, please tell me about it in the comments. I want to hear it. And if you want more of these deep dives into how animals actually think,